Hi, this is a session on linking Salesforce Marketing Cloud into other clouds. Here I'm in the setup, as you can see under my name on the upper right. You go to setup, you go to it looks very similar like the Lightning and Salesforce and the other clouds, but in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, there are only roles and users. There's no profiles, there's no permission set, there's no sharing rules, right? And so it's a different architecture that you have to just be aware of, right? And that's key. And then you limit those users to a business role. And one of the things is the most restrictive role is the one that dominates. As far as data management, there's FTP accounts, file locations, key management, and parameter manager or parameter manager. And that's where you link it into web analytics, right? Make editable, read only, Google Analytics and other analytics clouds, right? Through the data management. Like this SFTP is now SFTP, right? You need to make sure you set that up. That's where file drops happen. Then apps, Salesforce integration, installed packages, Google Analytics integration. This is the Salesforce Marketing Cloud integration platform on the side. In Content Builder, of course, you have approvals, campaign settings, etc. Right? In Mobile Studio, you've got other things, but it's like the email studio, sender profiles, right? And then all that tag management for DCM and other publications, etc. Other data management. And Einstein, of course, content tagging, send optimization, all that other stuff there. This is the quick overview on Salesforce integrations and of course company settings, etc. But when you go back, the key here is it's more limited, right? And the concept of a lead and contact doesn't really exist. You have to data map that differently and decide how to change attributes and other things within Salesforce Marketing Cloud when you're linking it, say, to Salesforce. So again, what is it? Right here. And that's pretty much it. So on the setup, you got to think about how it goes in, what integrations, and that it's just more limited. It's not as much of a tool for managing thousands of users. It's a tool for managing thousands of prospect communications through different platforms. Thank you so much.